Before we start installing and configuring FreePBX, let's have some detail on its architectures and various components used in building FreePBX. The first release of FreePBX was made in 2004, known as AMP, that stands for Asterisk Management Portal. The project was renamed to FreePBX due to Asterisk trademark issue with the DGM, as Asterisk is registered trademark of DGM Inc. FreePBX is licensed under the GNU General Public License (GPL), an open source license. It can be installed manually or as a part of the pre-configured FreePBX distro that include the system, operating system, Asterisk, FreePBX GUI, and assorted dependencies. The core operating system used by FreePBX is based on Linux distro known as CentOS. The latest release of the FreePBX 14 by the time of creating this course is using CentOS 7 and Asterisk 13 or 14 as the VoIP communication server. So Asterisk is installed on top of CentOS 7 operating system. Apart from this core, FreePBX uses Apache as a web server and MariaDB as a database to store the configs, etc. Now this is the FreePBX architecture diagram, and as you can see, the FreePBX CentOS 7 as a server. Then we have the Asterisk, and Asterisk got its own configuration file. For example, whenever you are configuring a SIP channel, you use sip.conf file. Similarly, your extensions.conf file or voicemail, etc. So depend on the feature you are configuring in the Asterisk. Now one way is you can directly configure these files. You can directly edit these files and you need to reload them, and then you'll be able to configure the Asterisk. Alternatively, the FreePBX, which is a web application using the PHP and MySQL, so it's a kind of a web app that manipulate these configuration files. So it makes kind of very easy for the beginner or the newbie who are trying to develop or deploy the telephony system for their home or offices. So it kind of make it very easy for them to learn it quickly. Now in this diagram, you can see once we have the FreePBX installed, then we are able to configure or access the web GUI and the browser using any laptop or desktop computer attached to that LAN network.